AI is writing resumes, diagnosing illnesses, and even trading stocks, and still somehow recommending you microwave recipes on TikTok. It is literally everywhere. And if you feel like you missed the class where everyone else figured it all out, good news, you didn't. This is your 2025 crash course on AI. What it actually is, how it works, and where it's already making real decisions that affect your job, your feed, and probably your sleep schedule. I promise, no robot apocalypse talks. Just the stuff you actually need to know to not sound lost in meetings. Let's break it down. Alright, let's start with the most basic question of all. What is AI? As we talked in our previous video, it's not magic. It's just math. AI is software that finds patterns in data and uses those patterns to make decisions or predictions. That's it. It doesn't think, it doesn't understand. It just calculates what's most likely to come after just analyzing some previous patterns. And obviously there are a few types that you should know about. Machine learning. How Netflix predicts your next binge. Natural language processing. Tools like Chatgpt understanding human language. And computer vision. Self-driving cars, airport face scanners, even satellites counting cows. Yes, seriously. They often work together behind the scenes depending on the job. Okay, now for the fun part. Here are 3 real-world places AI is actually showing up. The first one is farming. In Brazil and India, farmers are using AI drones and sensors to catch crop diseases early. One tool, PEAT, diagnoses plant issues from a leaf photo. How crazy is that? The second one would be hospitals. At Mount Sinai, GPT-based systems help triage ER patients. It uses symptoms, history, even stress in your voice. The third one would be law enforcement. Cities are now testing predictive policing, analyzing past crime data to guess where crime might happen. Controversial? Absolutely, because the data can be biased. But this tech is already in use. Now let's talk tools. The ones that you'll actually use in 2025. And I'm sure you are using most of it already. The first one is a no-brainer, I guess. It's Chatgpt. Still the go-to for writing, summarizing, learning, and coding. Use it or fall behind, your choice. Next up, we have Claude, a quieter, more cautious Chatgpt. Great for long docs and secure use cases. Very popular in finance and legal. Next up, we have Runway and Pika. They both happen to be AI video tools. Creatives use these for storyboarding, ad mockups, and full-on production. Last but not least, we have 11 Labs. AI voice generation for audiobooks, videos, and even YouTube channels. No need to master all of them, of course. But just knowing what they are capable of just makes you more valuable in what you're doing. Here's the one idea that makes AI click. It doesn't know what it's saying, and it doesn't believe anything. It just makes highly confident guesses. That's why it's very powerful. And why it can be dead wrong, even when it sounds right. So if someone says that AI is objective or neutral, they don't get it. But now you do. AI in 2025 is not abstract because it's in your apps, your inbox, in your job. Know the basics and you'll be like 90% ahead of other people. Want a deep dive on a specific tool? Please drop a comment down below and I'll make sure to read it. Like, subscribe, and share if this video helped you. Thank you so much for joining us here today, and we'll see you in the next one.